How to reset any game on Steam. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick guide on how to reset your Steam games. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. First thing first, you're going to go ahead and open up your Steam on your PC and make sure that you're logged in. After this, the very first thing you want to do is turn off the Steam Cloud because it will store all of your game data. So what you want to do is simply turn it off first. Click on the Steam icon at the top left corner and then head over to settings. Now on the left side you have different options right here. Just head over to cloud and then here you are just going to go ahead and turn off this enable Steam Cloud. So it will disable your Steam Cloud. And after you've done this, head over to your library and choose any game that you want to reset. For example, this one. I'm just going to right click on it and head over to properties. So once you do this, you can click on manage cloud settings like so, and then turn it off from here as well. And if this is installed on your PC, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on manage and browse local files. And from here, you just want to head over to the file and delete all of the files that's inside. So once you have done that, your entire game will be reset and then you should be good to go. Now there is one other method that you could do. If this method doesn't work, then what you can try to do is open up your web browser and log into your Steam from there. So just search for Steam. Now once you have opened Steam on your browser, then you just want to head over to your library from here and then simply open up the game that you want to reset. So here you're just going to go ahead and search for your game on the community tab. Click on it and then search for the game. So once you get to the page of your game, on the URL bar up on the upper side of your screen, you'll find the associated game number. So all you have to do now is locate this number on your files, on your Explorer, and delete whatever is inside that folder. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.